Hello, good evening. My name is Patrice L. Stewart, the Realist Tax and Business Strategist, and I have an update for those of you all who have a PPP loan, an EIDL loan, or a disaster loan. If you have not set up your account, I wanted you all to be able to see exactly where to go to set up your account. Many payments are due. Payments started to become due starting last year. You guys got almost a 2-year grace period to pay those PPP loans, and you got almost about 18 to 24 months to pay the EIDL loans. And so now it's time to start paying those loans back. So I wanted you all to make sure that you're on the correct website. So if you notice up here, it says lending.sba.gov. Okay. If you want to start from the beginning so you can kind of just see where I went to the actual sba.gov site, right? You can always go there, and then you'll go, I think I went here. So either you want to make a payment, or if you have an account already, you want to sign into your account. So let's say you want to make a payment. Just click on make a payment, and then it's going to take you here, all right, to your SBA Loan Portal. And really in the loan portal, you can make any payment, whether you have a PPP, whether you have a disaster loan, an EIDL, and some of you may have more than one, okay? At that point, here's where you want to go ahead and click on the portal. And then that's how we got here, okay? So if you have a paycheck protection program, which is the PPP, you would click here. If you have a COVID EIDL, you would click here. And if you have a disaster loan, you would click here. There's also more loans out and available. So if you currently need one, you can determine your eligibility here, and you can still apply for disaster loans. The disaster loans are still available. The PPP and the EIDL are no longer available. Only payments are being made at this time, but there are other loans on the SBA website. I wanted to really bring this up to make sure, because a lot of you all may or may not open your mail, and they have been sending letters out about payments being due. You do not want these loans to default. There's a lot of consequences behind that. So make sure that you are signing up, creating your account. If you have any questions, you can always call them directly. They do have a hotline number on here. You can call this phone number, or you can always click need help, and then they will give you additional information depending on what type of help you need, right? So if you're looking for a disaster loan, and they have a phone number. If you have a COVID relief loan, then they have a specific phone number for you for that. As you can see here, COVID EIDL has one phone number, and the SBA PPP loan forgiveness program has a different phone number. So you can find all of this valid information right here on sba.gov. You do not have to pay anyone out of pocket for this type of stuff. You do not have to pay anybody else to do your loans or your documents. As business owners, you all should really start becoming more acclimated with these type of applications and forms, because there will always be opportunity for you to fill things out to get funding and money. And the worst thing that you want to do is always have to call somebody and need help to do it. Okay. You should not be paying people for basic applications. So again, I am Patrice L. Stewart, the Realist Tax and Business Strategist. I have that trademark. You can follow my page and my channel here. Click the like button, share this video, join the community. I do have a private community where we educate you on financial literacy topics. I'll have the link here in the bottom of this video, and I hope to see you soon.